Hello, my name is Sandra Milena Rojas. My group number is 90000-396. I am 3 years old and I study public accounting. I am married and I have 3 beautiful children. Next week I am going to travel to Playa Cesar and I am going to stay at my mother-in-law's house. I'm going to wear a red dress and I will invite my husband and 3 children to stroll in the tree and will speed a boat to Hastings and Flausen, and with God's favor I plan to find my week at the shore.